When there's something strange flying through your fields, who are you going to call? Drones.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're talking about locusts. India currently has a big issue with them, with swarms entering several regions posing an obvious threat to crops over thousands of hectares. Seeking urgent and efficient solutions to this potentially devastating problem, the Civil Aviation Ministry took just 24 hours to approve the order when approached by the Agricultural Ministry with the option to use drones in an attempt to fight the locust issue. The order, which was reviewed by ETTech, states, in view of the urgency of the matter, the Government of India, in exercise powers conferred under Rule 160 of the Aircraft Rules 1937, provides conditional exemption to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. The order means that rotary wing drones not exceeding 25 kilograms will be able to deliver chemicals in an attempt to kill off the swarms before they progress further. In order to speed up the process and to ensure the essential work is carried out quickly, the individual drone flights will not require any form of prior permission. Instead, they will log the flights, including the routes and the chemicals used, up to 7 days later. In further steps to fast-track the process, the drones used can be under either government or private ownership. The drones will need to display a unique identification number as per Indian law. To date, India has recognised around 20,000 drones this way. India has a recent track record of fast-tracking drone operations in its skies, with approvals recently granted to assist in aerial surveillance and photography for agencies handling the COVID-19 pandemic. So there is a mixed bag here. On one hand, the fast tracking of drones to aid the fight against the spread of the locust swarms is extremely positive and a drones for good story, which will have a wide appeal to the public. Whereas the use of them in a surveillance capacity, despite the important work they're doing, is unlikely to be greeted as positively by the Indian public. What are your views? Are there any other world and regional problems which drones could assist in making better? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as well as telling us what you think of this story in particular. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. See you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.